Okay, so I'm unboxing the Brother DCP J1100DW Color Inkjet. Now, one of the reasons that I got this to replace my existing printer is that the existing printer is just a little bit too heavy on the ink cartridges, and this one promises 1 year of printing. Also, I don't really need really high quality in terms of photos and stuff like that. It's really just for documents. So let's see what's in here. Okay. So bit of packaging. So these cartridges look really small. It's okay. And they're going to be a lot cheaper. So I've got what color is that? Cyan. It's cyan. And that's blue. That's a pink. I'm probably not calling them the right colors. And this one here, which is our trusty black, of course. Okay. Bit of packaging in here. Oh, let's have a look. Turn it around like this so it's not upside down. It's a cable, by the way. If you're not in Australia, you might be surprised at our cables. That's our power cable, but obviously for your country, if you're not in Australia, it will be the right power cable for your country. It just plugs in, nice and easy. Okay, so here is the printer. Now what I should do, not too heavy, pull it out. There's a little bit of, what's this one? How to load the paper in the paper tray. And I did do it upside down. Okay. So there's the printer there. You can see it's nice and light. Okay. So there it is. Nice and easy to set up. That's the, what's that called, the flatbed. And it's also got, paper can go through here. And comes out there. And in terms of the paper tray, so you've got the auto feed here, and looks like it's got a paper tray down here. Okay, there's the power button. So nice and easy to set up, which looks really good. Take off these little pieces of plastic and pop the ink cartridges in the right spot. I'll figure out where that is. And now the other reason that I got this is that my current printer, which is an HP printer, its wireless isn't working, and so that means that I've got to cable up. I've got to cable up to connect to the printer, which is a bit inconvenient for others in the house who want to print to it. There we are. If you are interested in getting this Brother printer, you may like to use my link, which is an affiliate link that's in the description of this video.